Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 5th, 2026, and we're diving into Stevanato Group's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Stevanato Group, a leader in drug containment and delivery solutions, has just released their latest earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Stevanato Group reported a revenue of €346.5 million for the fourth quarter, marking a 5% increase year over year. However, the adjusted EPS came in at slightly below the forecast of 20 cents. John, what are your thoughts on these figures?
While the revenue growth is commendable, driven by a strong performance in their biopharmaceutical and diagnostic solutions segment, the slight miss on EPS could be attributed to increased costs and currency fluctuations. The gross profit margin improvement to 30.9% is a positive sign, indicating better cost management and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you elaborate on the performance of Stevanato's different segments?
Absolutely. The biopharmaceutical and diagnostic solutions segment saw a 10% increase in revenue, largely due to a 31% rise in high-value solutions, which now account for 49% of total revenue. On the other hand, the engineering segment experienced a 23% decline, primarily due to lower demand in their glass converting and assembly lines businesses.
It seems like their strategic focus on high-value solutions is paying off.
Indeed, it is. This strategic shift is helping them improve margins and position themselves better in the market.
Financial health and cash flow. Let's talk about Stevanato's financial health. How are they managing their cash flow and debt?
Stevanato ended the year with a net debt of €337.7 million, but they generated a positive free cash flow of €18.4 million. Their cash and cash equivalents stand at €130.6 million, which, along with their operational cash flow, provides them with adequate liquidity to fund strategic priorities.
That's reassuring for investors, especially in a volatile market.
Definitely. Their ability to generate cash and manage debt effectively is a strong indicator of financial stability.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Stevanato provided for 2026?
Stevanato has set a revenue guidance of €1.26 billion to €1.29 billion for 2026, with an adjusted EPS expected to be between €0.59 and €0.63. CEO Franco Stevanato emphasized their positive momentum and focus on disciplined execution, particularly in the biologics market, which is expected to drive growth.
It sounds like they are optimistic about the future.
Yes, their strategic initiatives and market positioning seem to be setting them up for continued success.